Today, and I am continue this about our discussion in last Monday in between of my three stupid nieces, and I want to tell you, my subscribers and my viewers, about them already. I will tell you Jen, Cora, and Mary Joy, or Jen Villaflor, or Cora Masula Reyes, and Mary Joy Cabilao. You know, do you think you you have a fault in your life? There is. You have a fault. You did not do anything right in all of your life. But you never think what is good to your uncle. You lied your uncle, Utay. And also, your father lied on you. He did not tell Utay if it's just small matter of help. He did not help you. But you know, I'm just tell you one thing. I will not include your sons. I will not include that. They're not a part of this problem. But you know, only one I say to you is you challenge me, and I will challenge you, and I will fight on you. You don't respect me. Even your uncle, your aunties, you did not respect. It's not a good manner on you. It's bad. It's bad. It's stupid. You know, I don't care your husband will part of this. Because if your husband will try to part of this, I will include them. I will include them also. If I want to fire you in your work, I can do that. I will do that. Because you try to challenge me in much more, even you Jen Villaflor, and I will try to screaming me, shouting me on your phone. You're such stupid. You're an undisrespectful person. You never respect on me. And you know, and tinulungan namin kayo, ganyan pa igaganti ninyo sa amin. Wala kayong pasalamat. Kung hindi nyo alam na matagal na kayong niluluko ng inyong tatay nyo. And you know, niloko nyo kayo ng sarili nyo tsuhin, yung mga tsahin nyo, at saka yung mga pinsan nyo, your cousins, your aunts, your uncles. Niloko nyo sila. You never better to them. As long as we today, as of now, I will cut off my relationship on you. You are not a part of my family, so you are not the relatives anymore, including your siblings and your parents. And I will not to see your face, even your shadows anymore. And I will, if I will see you, all of you in one place, I have a word on you. I have a word. But you never do better on anyone, and even much more to your cousins, your uncles, your aunties, even us. You never respect, you never thankful of us, what we did for help on you. Remember that Jean Villapor, Mary Joy Cabilao, and Cora Asulaw Rehas. Remember that. Don't forget what I say on you. But today I will stop now to get vlog on you. And this is my last word on you. Just remember that I will see you in one place. I have a word on you. Just remember that. And today I will cut that. I will tell to I will tell all my friends and there in my Facebook, especially Banji Lim and Richard Karaig and other artists are friends on my Facebook, and I forgot them. And shout out for you and take good care. And those artists are not yet by comment. I forgot it. And I will shout out all of you and regards and take care all of you. And I hope we will join together in one place in group art exhibit there in Manila. And I hope in especially of my brother artist Ramel Tomampos, and shout out for you, bro, and take care always. I hope don't forget our show in Manila, and we will plan that and after my exhibit in Manila, and we will plan that how many paintings would be displayed in art gallery. And especially to my fellow artists at Ford Academy and my teachers, shout out to you and take care. And I will mention them, everyone: Joaquin Sala, Brian Cabrera, Bal San Diego, Banjo Satore, and Jong Tanigay, my teacher, and Jimmy Ang, Ben Banyes, Magtanggol Kadayuna, and Don Revelo. And shout out of you and take care. I hope I will see you again on my art exhibit here in Davao City. And after my fourth art exhibit here in Davao City, I will go back to Manila exhibit and at fourth exhibit in Manila, and then to Cebu, so exhibit there. And I'll put my schedules, and I have a lot of busy days today to preparing my solar exhibits, and especially this coming our Art Fest in September 3 to 7, and I hope you see you guys and support our works, and those who want to buy of my paintings, and please come and see me to my place or my location to ask me the price. And if you ask a discount, and I will think and how many less price I will discount on you. And especially to all of my friends artists here in Davao City, shout out and all of you, and I hope we will see you in your art exhibits, our art exhibits, my solo art exhibits. And I hope you keep doing what you want to do to your artworks, to your sculptures, and continue on that. And I have to tell you, and those are artists and my friends on my Facebooks, and to follow those artists in Instagram, and do not disappoint that you are a part of my shout out in regards, and take care. And I have a lot of many friends. Sometimes I forgot your name, and I hope we will see you on my next vlog, and watch soon my new painting in this years. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and to share this video to your friends, to your families and relatives. As I said before, and don't forget what I said to you, Jean, Cora, and Beljo. And don't forget that I will not accept you anymore, even you are my nieces. But one thing I said today, and goodbye and thank you. Good day, magandang umaga po sa lahat, and see you on my next vlog. And watch my vlog on our Dawa Art Fest this coming September 2 and opening, and September 3 of our Dawa Art Fest is opening to the public until Sunday at September 7, because our days is only just few, because of there is a schedule of renting to use our venue. And next time if I join again to the Davao Art Fest, it will not be on 5 days, it will be 9 days next time. And next time I will join to Davao Art Fest, and I will put my paintings. It's almost 8 paintings. I will display it. And please support my solo art exhibits, my YouTube channels, and my videos, my live painting, and also my other one YouTube channel. And please support it also to my videos, short vlogs, and then interviews, and then any part of, if I have another new channel, please support it also and subscribe to my channel. I hope we will see you again in my solo art exhibits, and my other exhibits, in our group art exhibit. I forgot my our group art exhibits in Philippine Avant-Garde. Please support our fellow artists, and not also me. And please come and join and see our paintings and sculptures, so that those are want to buy our paintings, just come there to our location, and so that keep support our artists in the Philippines, and especially the artists in the other foreign country, and support them to give them support, so that they can feel better and happy if you will support them, and even also us. We are happy to support. Are happy to. We will see you to support on us. And thank you, salamat, and goodbye. See you on my next vlog, on my live painting video. This wait soon, and I'm not yet look forward for a new spot to paint for, because today. And thank you and goodbye.